Tats, I will say this. This is an unpopular opinion.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Disclaimer.
Yes. Yes.
But I believe that a normal surname
Yeah.
should have a maximum of 7 letters.
Yes, a maximum.
Anything more than that, I think it's drama. I think anything more than that, it's a sentence.
Yes. It's sentence.
All right, let's start with you. What's your surname?
My surname in
Kukuza kwarukuita Mubvunzonhando nasi.
Ine 5. My
Okay.
surname is Edu 205. Yeah.
Ay, Gwara, Motsi.
Yeah.
I mean,
You see?
huh?
Ine 5.
Let's go next door on the check. So,
Yeah.
Mokina. How many? Yeah, that's 6. Yeah.
Hove,
Hove.
4.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, now tell me, man.
Yeah. Ndoro.
Let's go to breakfast.
Ndoro.
We've gone Ndoro.
Yeah.
Tagu.
It's just Tagu, Chedi.
It's just
I know
tagure kana tagure
Yeah,
yaizongoswedera akapadhuze iwe. He's Ephraim Tagu. Guys, anything more than that, I am sorry. And ndimi vanhu vatinoda aiwa ngavauye.
Chida, literally.
Yes.
Chida. It's just
Yeah. Tutani, right?
Tutani, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
I want to say it now. Let's go downtown.
Toby.
Guys,
Kana Toby.
I think on the station, I think taito garapasi tina kuvheneka zvinizvi. And anything more than that.
Vikas.
I mean, tiri Tats, and anything more than that, I think it's just drama. 1, 2, it's a sentence, and what are you doing? Well, it's not a surname. Do you know why I'm having this conversation? I actually wrote it down. Let me just pick my phone. And so I met a marshal, Masio Avara. Masio Avara.
Hey, Masio. He wants is the line here. No, the word Avara the ring. Can they when they mdara?
The doors they what?
Closed. The doors.
So if you were to then translate that, I was just it's a sentence.
It's a sentence.
I don't know what the doors have
doors
closed.
4 letters.
Muruita say anamasiwa vara. Muruita say anamasiwa. Can we have this conversation? What's the? I would like to find out from you the longest surname that you've come across.
I've met. I've come across Mukunda Jiti.
Yeah.
That's a long sentence. That's a long surname. And then quite is here. Manyingavana.
Oh yes. Where you say like yes.
No, you what yes one? What yes one?
No, but yes, I get it.
Yes.
Yeah. How many letters? Yakareba kaya.
We have asked out the kids. The children, not the kids. Kid is it proper?
Yes.
The children. Like, imagine.
That's longer.
It's a long.
What are you doing with sentences, guys? No. No. Ndazvitadza. But
Musoro Gomo. Musoro Gomo was.
That's another one.
Was the name.
Homsoro was the name.
Musoro Gomo.
You're lying.
Mukosi was the surname.
Oh yes, you are
Yeah.
so right.
Yeah.
Even ngoda ushatisa inonzi kunzi anzi surname yakhe sentence. Yes, but Homsoro Gomo is his name, and then yeah.
Hey.
Pane mamwacho masurname ari kupisa.
I
Just on 0772162651. Let's have a conversation about this. The longest surname that you've come across, guys. I met a Masuo Avara, and I'm just like, guys, Masuo Avara. But listen, a normal surname I think should have just a maximum of 7 letters. Let's just be, straight to the point. Let's be precise. And guys, in akawanda, there is a one nonzi Chindori Chininga. So you can imagine mwana ari kuenda kuchikoro handiti ari kudzidzira kunyora zita rake hatisi kungoomesera nei
unozazvizva kuti mwana asingagoni vamwe vachidziona uyu atogona kunyora
anganonoka sei
anoluza confidence mwana wachikoro donzi aiwa idofo haagona kunyora zita rake
we are running bands. We've met a Tinorova Mapurisa. Try and say it out loud. No one knows. Another one also coming through on our WhatsApp platform says, yes, I've come across the Guvamatangas. This one also coming in says,
is not so long.
how many? Yeah, but yakareba. You know, 49.7. Another one also coming in says, this one coming through says, pasipanojika. Pasipanojika, yeah, but yakareba. Yeah, keep them coming. And maybe it's your surname. How do you feel about it? We're just talking about the longest surname that you have come across. And, well, like I said, it's an unpopular opinion. I just believe a normal surname should just, maximum of 7 letters. Tatopa munhu surname yake zvafamba inonzi gwara pana motsi panapa tina Nicola Ndoro anomunzwisa Llewellyn Chida munonzwisa Jabulani Hove Shingai Mokina tiri kungoedza kuti munzwisise zvatiri kutaura panapa. This one coming through on WhatsApp platform says, guys, maakudhipisa, this is too much for me because I'm also Pasipanojika KVG. This one says Masiambiri. Another one also coming through says Magura Membe. I know of Soro Mbudzi. This one also coming through says, I know of Shavanu. Yeah. Keep them coming. You can also send voice notes on our WhatsApp platform 0772-162-651. Our random question of the day. We're saying, unpopular opinion, a normal surname should have a maximum of 7 letters. Anything more than that, it's drama, my friends. Anything more than that, it's a sentence. Makutotitaurira norondo. Anti atsikuda kuinzwa isi norondo. So yeah, we're just asking, what's the longest surname that you have come across? Keep them coming. 0772-162-651.